Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important topics for the students of class 9 and 10, which is set and functions from higher mathematics. And today I am going to draw the equations and the graph, which is question number 14, number B. In the last two classes we have done question number 13 and question number 14A. And the first question it was a straight line, and second question it was a straight line. First question it was a straight line, and second question equation of a circle. But today we are going to another different questions, which is equations equations of ellipse, or you can say this is the equations of quadratic equation. So first step, draw the graph of the equation, or draw the graph of the relation. And the second step, whether find the relation or the graph will be function or not. Okay. Solution from describing equation of S we get x square plus y equal 9, or we can write here y equal 9 minus x square. Here considering x is independent variable and y is dependent. Y is dependent on x. So for different values of x we will find the value of y. So now write here, find the corresponding values of y for different values of x. Now draw a table here, and considering this one is x and this one will be y equal 9 minus x square. Okay. First step, taking plus minus 3, there is a square, that's so you applied here both plus 3 and minus 3. So when x is plus minus 3, then y will be y equal 9 minus plus minus 3 whole square, 9 minus this plus 3 square will be 9, and minus 3 square also will be 9. So this one will be 9 minus 0, 9 minus 9 equals 0. So for plus minus 3 we will get here 0. Now we apply the value of x is plus minus 2. When x equal plus minus 2, y will be 9 minus plus minus 2 square equal 9 minus 4 equal 5. So for plus minus 2, this one will be 5. Now considering here x equal plus minus 1, then y will be 9 minus plus minus 1 whole square equal 9 minus 1 equal 8. This one for plus minus 1, this one will be 8. Now considering here 0. So when x equals 0, then y will be when x equals 0, then y will be 9 minus 0 square equal 9. There will be a 9. So just taking only 6 points. This was 7 points. 0, plus 1, minus 1, 3, and plus 2, minus 2, and plus 3, minus 3. So definitely we get here 7 different points. So now, L will be considering here all points, like this point will be plus 3, 0, and plus 2, 5, and 1, 8, 0, 9. Then again minus 3, 0, minus 2, 5, minus 1, 8. Now you have to write, we will draw the graph plotting all points in graph paper and joining them one by one, we get the graph of given relation shown in the graph paper. Okay, place all points 3, 0. We can apply this one for question number B, 3, 0. Okay, considering this line, this one as a y-axis, considering we can apply here scale, considering this one as a y-axis, this one as a y-axis. So now this is the positive side of y, or you can write here positive side of y, upper side, and this is negative side of y, and zero, then y will be 9 plus minus 3. So we can draw here as considering this one as a y-axis, considering this one as a, so this is the right side of x and this is the left side of x, negative x. This one is upper side is positive side of y, and the below one, this one is negative side of y, and this one is origin intersecting of two axes. So now 0, 3, 0. The first one, x is 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. And then another one, minus 3, 0. So while x is minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0. From origin to negative side. Plus minus 2. So this one is plus minus 2. When is plus 2, y will be 5. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, y will be plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, y will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then plus 1, 8. So plus 1, x is plus 1, y is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then now minus 1. Minus 1, that means origin to negative side. Minus 1, then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally this one is 0 and 9. So this one is 0. That means x is 0, y is 9. This one will be here. So what we see now, first write all points, or now joining one by one. So this is the graph of the given relation. Now right here, this point is, this one is 3, 0, and this is minus 3, 0. This point is 2, 5. This one is minus 2, 5. This is 1, 8. This point is minus 1, 8. And this top point is 0, 9. So basically this one is the graph of the given relation. So now you have to write considering 1, square length in both x and y axis, x axis and y axis is 1 unit. Such explaining the graph. Considering the 1 square, that means 1 square length indicate this one as a 1 unit, like -1, -1, -2. That means 1 square unit is 1 square unit, 1 square length is 1 unit. So now give attention to the second part. Find the relation, whether this relation is a function or not. So already we can draw the graph here to explain this properly. Okay, now draw again graph. How many intersecting points here with y-axis and graph? Only one, which is 0 and 9. If we draw a parallel line left side or right side, how many intersecting points we will get here? Only one intersecting points. So in the last two classes already we have discussed the same topics. When we get one intersecting points of y-axis and the given relation, we get one intersecting points. Or if we draw a parallel line of y-axis and we get only one single point intersecting, then we can take the decision the given relation or given graph is a function. So here how many intersecting points we get here? Only one. And if we draw a parallel line of y-axis in the graph, we will get only one or single intersecting point. That's why we can take the decision given relation is a function. So now you have to write this one. We see here only one intersecting point of y-axis and graph of the relation. So given relation is a function. This is our final answer. Or you can write, if we draw a parallel line of y-axis in the given graph, we get only one intersecting point. That's so we can take the decision the given graph is not a function. So thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. Basically we have discussed three different types of question. The first one is a equation of a straight line. The second one, question number A in 14, which is the equation of a circle. This is not a function. And finally in the last question, question number B in 14, we saw here this is the equation, quadratic equation, where we get two roots. This is the -3 0 and 3 0, and this is also the function. But if we see here like this, if our graph would be like this, and this is the upper side of y-axis or the lower side of y-axis, but if the graph would be like this, what will be happened? How many intersecting points you will get now? 2. Or if you draw a parallel line of y-axis, how many intersecting points? 2. And this one will not be function. But if the graph like this, how many intersecting point? Only one. And if we draw a parallel line, also one. So this one will be a function, but this is not a function. So dear students, should be more careful in times of drawing graph and how to, and in times of explaining the graph, is it function or not. So thank you very much once again. Hope we'll see again in the next tutorial. And if you have any question, please do comments. And basically I am ready to give best satisfaction to my dear followers. Hope we'll see again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.